Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner Benefits. Make money. Having your passion pay off is an incredible feeling. In the past 3 years alone, YouTube has paid out over $70 billion to creators, more than any other platform. Becoming a partner allows you to be a part of this, by giving you access to a whole host of ways that enable you to monetize your content. From accessing ad revenue through ads, to fan funding, merchandise, brand deals, and shared revenue from shopping. YouTube partners have more ways to earn than ever before. Learn your options for earning money on YouTube, explore what makes the most sense for your channel and start earning. Earn ad revenue from display, overlay, and video ads that run on your channel. With YouTube Premium, you can earn a portion of a subscriber's fee when they watch your content, get support when you need it. As a creator in the YouTube Partner Program, you have access to our dedicated creator support team. They are here to provide one-to-one help across email and chat on a range of different topics, including improving how you use YouTube. We can give you tips on technical aspects of YouTube and using its features. Following policy and copyright guidelines. We can help you understand and comply with YouTube's rules. Account and channel management questions. We can answer your questions about managing your YouTube presence. Understanding performance. We can help you analyze your channel's performance using YouTube's analytics tools. Content ID and rights management issues. We can help you resolve issues related to copyright claims and disputes. Troubleshooting account issues. We can help you fix problems with your YouTube account. And as your channel grows, so does the level of support you can tap into, all the way up to having your very own YouTube Partner Manager. Connect with the partner community. The YouTube Partner Program isn't just about earning, it's about connecting and growing with a thriving community. As a YouTube partner, you will receive exclusive communications that acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. As you hit various milestones, partners are rewarded with perks and benefits that make your journey even more fulfilling. Additionally, the YouTube Partner Program provides unique opportunities to connect with fellow creators at special events and experiences, like VidCon and creator collectives in different cities. The YouTube Partner Program allows partners to build a strong sense of community, enabling knowledge sharing, collaboration, and growth alongside other passionate creators. What our partners say. Becoming a partner. Want to find out how to become a YouTube partner? Read on to find out how you can become eligible to apply and what you need to join the program. On the way to partner. Less than 500 subs. YouTube partners represent our very best creator talent. We recognize that becoming a partner requires a lot of hard work and doesn't happen overnight. But with dedication, creativity, and effort, every creator has a chance of getting there. Apply to become a YouTube partner. 500 subs. 3 valid uploads. And 3K valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Or 3M valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. 500 subs is the magic number that makes a channel eligible to apply for the partner program. Being eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program is an incredible achievement that marks the gateway to earning money and your passion truly paying off. Ad revenue unlocked. 1,000 subs. 4K public watch hours in the last 12 months. Or 10M valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. At 1,000 subscribers, partners are able to unlock ad revenue and start earning money from the ads shown on their videos. Already a YouTube partner? Read on to discover how to make the most of your partnership, access exclusive benefits, and continue growing your channel. And once accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, how do you truly unlock your earning potential? Firstly, making it to YouTube Partner is an amazing achievement. It's a badge that says you're among the best of the best. Many congratulations. To make sure partners get the full benefit of being in the program, here are the following ways creators can get rewarded for making content such as shorts, live streaming, and long-form video. Advertising revenue. Earn revenue from watch page ads and shorts feed ads. Shopping. Your fans can browse and buy products from your store, or products you tag from other brands through the YouTube Shopping affiliate program. YouTube Premium revenue. Get part of a YouTube Premium subscriber's subscription fee when they watch your content. Channel memberships. Your members make recurring monthly payments in exchange for access to special perks. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Your fans pay to get their messages or animated images highlighted in live chat streams. Super Thanks. Your fans pay to view a fun animation and get their message highlighted in your video or shorts comments section. Each feature has its own set of eligibility requirements, so be sure to check the respective criteria before turning on these features. If our reviewers believe that your channel or video is not eligible, specific features may not be available. These extra thresholds exist for two main reasons. The most important one is that we have to meet legal requirements in every area where the feature is available. Then, because we want to reward good creators, we need to make sure we have enough context on your channel. Generally, this context means we need more content to review. Keep in mind that we constantly review channels to make sure your content is in line with our policies. To start making the most of ad revenue, we recommend do the following. Learn about AdSense, Google's program that lets YouTube partners creators in YPP get paid. Choose how you want to monetize, how ads show up on your videos, and how to set your default ad formats. Review our advertiser-friendly content guidelines to make sure all your content is appropriate for ads. Check out our YouTube self-certification overview so you can self-rate your videos according to our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. This rating helps YouTube make monetization decisions faster and more accurately.